This is the fourth video of chapter 12, friction. So, what are lubricants? Lubricants are the substances which reduce friction. For example, oil, grease, graphite, etc. Now, what is graphite? Graphite is a form of carbon. So, these are the lubricants. So, how lubricant work? So, when oil is applied between the moving parts of a machine, then a thin layer is formed so moving surfaces do not directly rub against each other interlocking of irregularities is avoided to a great extent. So movement becomes smooth. But in some machines, in place of oil, an air cushion is also used to reduce friction. So lubricants, they help to reduce the friction between the moving parts of a machine. Next topic is wheels reduce friction. Now you have seen that the attaches and other pieces of luggage are fitted with rollers. So what is the function of rollers? This is due to reduce friction. Rollers reduce friction. So how can we define rolling friction? When one body rolls over the surface of another body, the resistance means रुकावट, to its motion is called rolling friction. So rolling reduces friction. Therefore, wheel is said to be one of the greatest inventions of the mankind. Since rolling friction is smaller than the sliding friction, therefore, in most machines, sliding is replaced by rolling by using ball bearings. For example, ball bearings are used between hubs and axles of ceiling fans and bicycles. So ball bearings reduce friction and the friction is rolling friction. So these ball bearings are used between the hubs and axles of ceiling fans and bicycles. Now we will discuss fluid friction. So what are fluids? Fluids means liquids and gases. Fluids can flow, so liquid and gases, they can flow. So fluids exert a frictional force on objects moving through them. So that is known as fluid friction. It is also known as drag. So fluid friction is also known as drag. So there are some factors which affect fluid friction. So what are the factors which affect fluid friction? So first is speed of the object with respect to fluid. The speed by which the object is moving, so that affect the fluid friction. Second is shape of the object. And third is nature of the fluid. It means fluid friction depends upon the speed of the object, the shape of the object, and the nature of the fluid. When objects move through fluids, they have to overcome the friction acting on them. So efforts are made to minimize friction. So objects are given special shapes. So these shapes are known as streamlined shapes. So the scientists, they get the hints of such shapes from the nature. For example, from the shapes of birds and fishes, which have to move about in fluids all the time. So these shapes are given to the objects to reduce friction, and this process is known as streamlining. So all the vehicles are designed to have streamlined shapes so that they can reduce the fluid friction. So thank you very much. The chapter is completed now.